But let me take you through party-wise the vote share that we witnessed in the previous assembly elections, 2016, phase 2 of the polls that went by, where 30 constituencies voted. At that point of time, in 2016, TMC gained about 21 constituencies there, and the left 5 and the Congress 3, with the BJP 1. This is back in 2016. Will the TMC have that winning streak this time around, with BJP making inroads? That remains to be seen. Let me take you through Bengal Assembly elections, vote share, phase 2 vote share, previous assembly elections. TMC with 48% vote share, the left with 23% vote share, the Congress there with 11% vote share, and the BJP with 7% vote share. Here's the vote share in phase 2 polling in 2016 assembly polls, with the TMC again, let me repeat, 48%, the left at 23%, Congress at 11%, and the BJP at 7%. All right, I'm going to now cut across to Prema Rao joining us. Prema, what's the mood right behind you? We're looking at West Bengal entering the second phase of polls. So far, we see that people are in a spirited mood to come out there and vote. Are you looking at people motivated in large numbers to cast their vote this time? What's the mood really?
We saw in the first phase of elections about an 80% voter turnout, and this time in Bankura, this particular polling booth, we can see that quite a few people have come out. It's not even that the voting, it's been 1 hour into voting yet. There are lines of people here as well as in the polling booth next door. But what we know is in this polling booth, people are going to have to wait for some time because there is a problem with the VVPAT. That is what we are being told, and which is why people will have to wait. We can see that people were expecting to come here, cast their vote and go seamlessly, but that is not happening. They will have to wait. But in the booth nearby, the polling has already begun. We can see that there are central forces that have been deployed here in sizable numbers, and of course, as far as the COVID protocols are concerned, there are masks and sanitizers that are here for voters that come in. If we can show you the masks and sanitizers that are here, for all the voters to make sure that the COVID protocols are maintained, and also temperature check is being done. As far as the Bankura seat is concerned, Sayantika Banerjee from the Trinamool Congress is going to be contesting here, and all eyes are on Bankura. This seat was earlier won by the Congress, but it's a fight now between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress, and of course the Trinamool Congress hoping that Sayantika, the star candidate, will be able to capture the seat. There are about 308 polling booths in Bankura and over 19 lakh voters that are coming out to vote. So all eyes on Bankura in the second phase, and whether Trinamool Congress's star candidate Sayantika Banerjee will be able to win this seat.
All right, it appears, thank you very much. Do stay with us.